Welcome everyone. Do not go anywhere because this video is going to be very special. I will teach you my own method that I call it as a 10k whale method that will give you to catch and explore market gains like this. And this is a premium video content and I will provide you for free. All I want from you is share my video with everyone in your family so everyone can got benefit from this, and don't skip any part of the video. Now guys, you can see I have a WhatsApp group and I have given a signal at 11:03 p.m. On 8th of March, and you can see the screenshots of this group. And now now guys, purpose of showing you my WhatsApp group is that I do crypto trading myself, and I have other proof videos on my channel. You can see them. And if we analyze our signal at 8 March, something between 11, you can see that was an early signal. And if someone from my group has acted on my signal, that would be a lot of beneficial, but I don't think so anyone had. Now reason for that is my WhatsApp and Telegram group both are new as they started with this channel. So if we start analyzing the profit from the strategy with only 80% win rate, and we take only 5% per trade with $1,000 balance, you can see we can generate $17,000 with this strategy in a month. That's why I call it as a whale trading strategy, and you will see in this video that why I call it as a whale method. So listen carefully and watch the full video so you can utilize it properly, and subscribe to my channel and share my video. Let's begin. Now guys, are you ready for this amazing strategy? I'm very excited to share it with you. And this strategy can be applicable to any market, whether it is forex, crypto or stocks, and you can apply it to any time frame. I am using a 15 minute, and it's up to you. And first of all, we will go for indicators, and you will search for simple to EMA. You can use normal EMAs. I will give you the settings, and after applying this simple to EMA in your chart in trading view, you can use any platform. And after this, we can see the applicable of this cloud. Now you can go to setting, and this is very important. Do this setting as I do it. And now you will change the slow EMA to 50, and now you will change the fast EMA to 21, and that is our setting for the first setup. So now you can see how much powerful these 2 EMA setting are, and you can see how much they are capable of giving you the profit. You can see the potential of the signal. Some of the signal are giving you 9%, and I will later tell you how you can utilize it so you don't get into fake signal. And you can see how much this is applicable, equally applicable to forex pairs. So now you can see here is our crossover from in the upward trend, and you can see there is a good profit from this one. And now let's come back to our Bitcoin USDT, because I am much into crypto trading. So now first of all, we will go to an indicators, and we will search for another indicator which is called pivot point super trend. And you will click on this. We will use it as a you can say a confirmation trend, confirmation indicator. And you will go into the setting and change this 2 to 3, and this is very important. Do it as I do it in this video. So now you are done with the trading setup. Now, guys, let's jump to our buying and selling conditions. So, first of all, let's see our buying conditions. First of all, you wait for a buying indication by your EMA cloud, and you will also see if there is simultaneously buy signal from a pivot point super trend. And in this case, we have both at the same time. So, we will open or buy position from here, and now you can see we can get a lot of profit from this signal. And now if you what about stop loss, you can use a stop loss below the previous swing low, or you can also use at somewhat tight around the 2% of your opening position. Now you can see we get almost 12%, guys, 12% from this trade. And now let me show you some other signals from this strategy. And guys, see carefully whole video, don't jump after this because you will get familiar with the type of scenarios in a real market. You can see we have two indications by both indicators at the same time, and we can open this trade. And you can see we get almost 5% from this trade also. So now I will also talk about some of the false signals from this setup. So you have to listen carefully, and so you get more familiar with the this strategy. Now let me show you another thing. If we see, let me where is this marker. You can see here is our buy signal, and here is also a buy indication from our EMA cloud, and you can see we get a small profit from that. But here you can see we have a buy signal from, but there is no buy signal from our EMA cloud. So we will not jump into this signal. So let us see some other signal. And if you see, there is a sell signal from the pivot, and so that was a if we open sell position at that time, that is a good one. But you can't take a buy position. If we see here, you can also see we have a buy indication by EMA cloud, but there is no buy indication by our pivot point, so we will not open a buy trade. There it is a cross for a buy trade. So now that's why I used a pivot point super trend, so we can have a more confirmation of our possible entry for a long or short trade. Now we will also examine the short trades for this strategy. So that are also a bit similar to what we have in buy trades. We will look for a sell indication by our EMA, and we will also simultaneously look for a indication by a pivot point super trend. So we will open a trade for short. You can see it is almost as good as that previous ones. And if we see this trade, let me show you. If I see, you can see we have a cell signal and a simultaneously cell signal from EMA cloud. And now the trick is whenever we have both at the same time, we have a very high chances of winning that trade. If you got both signals from the both indicators at the same time, or one or two bars at distance, that is a very good indication of a strong seller buy signal. So you can see how much profitable that trade was. And now we you can see the buy signal, how much big gains we can get. But we will now talk about some of the false signals, or you can say some of the losing trades. You can see we have both indication by our indicator, but we got a losing trade. So I'm not claiming it as 100% perfect strategy, but that's why taught you to make a 1% or 2% stop loss. And you can see there is no signal for buy by EMA cloud, so we will not enter in this trade. But here we can get a both indication by our indicator, and you can see we get a profit from this almost 2%. So that is our video. Now, guys, I will conclude this video but with some advices for you. That is, this strategy is very powerful, and if you utilize it carefully, it will give you a lot of gains. And when to exit from this strategy? Whenever there is a straight line in our EMA cloud, or you can also use other trick like simple one, that is using the crossover as entry and exit. That is the simple, but sometimes it can take the your profit, and sometimes it can give you a extra profit. So now if you see how much gain we get, 21%. No other strategy gave such huge amount of gains, but you have to utilize it carefully. It can change your trading career, guys, and you will love this strategy. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. And if you get benefit from this video, please tell me, and support my channel, make it number one trading channel on YouTube. And happy thanks.